Today, let's talk about food and learn the names of different types of food. Fruits and vegetables. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Strawberry, strawberry. Carrot, carrot. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. Avocado, avocado. Broccoli, broccoli. Meat and seafood. Chicken, chicken. Beef, beef. Pork, pork. Fish, fish. Shrimp, shrimp. Salmon, salmon. Lamb, lamb. Bread and grains. Bread, bread. Rice, rice. Pasta, pasta. Cereal, cereal. Croissant, croissant. Bagel, bagel. Desserts and snacks. Cake, cake. Ice cream, ice cream. Chocolate, chocolate. Biscuits, biscuits. Macaron, macaron. Mochi, mochi. Drinks. Water, water. Juice, juice. Tea, tea. Coffee, coffee. Bubble tea, bubble tea. Smoothie, smoothie. Great job! Now you know lots of food words. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to name them all. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.